The unbreakable bamboo towering rock stood like a silent sentinel, its unyielding presence a testament to the passage of time. For centuries, it had weathered the storms, unmoved by the relentless forces of nature. But little did the rock know that a challenger was about to emerge from the depths of the lush bamboo forest. Deep within the swaying green stalks, a tiny shoot pushed its way through the soil, its tender leaves unfurling towards the sky. This was no ordinary bamboo. This was a bamboo with a purpose, a bamboo that would not be deterred by any obstacle. As the years passed, the bamboo grew taller and stronger, its flexibility and adaptability a stark contrast to the unmoving rock. While the rock remained fixed in its position, the bamboo swayed and bent, finding a way around the obstruction in its path. The rock, once seemingly impenetrable, began to show signs of wear and tear. The bamboo, on the other hand, continued to thrive, its roots digging deeper into the earth, its stalks reaching ever higher. It was as if the bamboo was mocking the rock, daring it to try and stop its relentless climb. And then, one fateful day, the winds of change blew through the forest, unleashing a powerful storm that threatened to topple even the mightiest of trees. The rock braced itself, confident that its solid foundation would withstand the onslaught. But the bamboo, with its fluid movements and unwavering resilience, simply bent and swayed, allowing the wind to pass through its slender frame. As the storm subsided, the rock stood battered and bruised, its edges crumbling under the relentless assault. But the bamboo, unscathed and unbowed, towered over the defeated rock, a testament to the power of flexibility, adaptability, and the unwavering spirit of the Tao. In that moment, the lesson was clear. True strength lies not in rigidity, but in the ability to bend without breaking. The bamboo, by embracing the principles of Chinese philosophy, had emerged victorious, proving that even the mightiest of obstacles can be overcome with the right mindset and approach.